Hi everyone, welcome. I'm Punk, a senior test engineer with hands-on experience in performance testing. Today, we're going to talk about the basics of performance testing, what it is, why it's important, and how it works. If you're new to performance testing, this video is the perfect starting point. So let's get into it. Performance testing is a type of non-functional testing used to evaluate the speed, scalability, and stability of an application, expected work. In simple words, we test how the app behaves when many users use it at the same time, or when it handles heavy data or traffic. It includes different types like load testing, stress testing, spike testing, and deterrent testing. Section 2 and why is imagine a shopping app crash, big sale. That's a real world performance. Performance testing. Boy crashes. Ensure the system meets SO. Find bottlenecks for the app goes on. Load test. Tests after expected. Stress test. Pushes app beyond home limits. Spike test. Checks suddenly increased abuse. Endurance test. Tests long-term stability. Scalability test. Checks if the app can scale. Users increase. To perform performance tests, we typically follow this process. Requirement gathering. Understand what needs to be tested. Tool selection. Use tools like JMeter, LoadRunner, Gatling, or Blazor. Scripting. Simulate user behavior using these tools. Execution. Run the test with different load. Monitoring. Use tools like Dynatrace, LoadRunner, or influx to monitor CPU, memory, etc. Analysis reporting. Identify bottlenecks. Provide recommendations. You don't even know coding deep, but logic and test understanding matter. That's a quick intro to performance testing. In the next video, I'll show you how to install JMeter, create your first test plan, and monitor performance using tools like Dynatrace. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you found this helpful. Also, let me know what topics you want. Thanks for watching.